Seeing E4 on your Remeha Avanta Plus boiler? That code means the boiler has tried several times to light but hasn't managed to start. E4 indicates an ignition failure. The boiler has attempted to ignite more than 5 times, but since no flame was established, it shut down and locked out for safety. The most common causes of this fault include a faulty gas valve or no ignition spark, a failed resistor connected to the ignition electrode, damaged or misaligned ignition electrodes, or a loose gasket around the burner, incorrect gas pressure, air trapped in the supply, or leaks around the combustion chamber, door, or flue. There are a few simple checks you can try before calling an engineer. Reset the boiler once and see if it runs normally. Check that the gas tap is open and the supply is on. If you're comfortable and experienced, you can visually check the ignition electrode for obvious dirt or damage. But remember, never open the combustion chamber unless you're gas safe registered. If the boiler locks out again, stop there. The repair needs a qualified engineer. That's where BeFix can help. Our engineers are experienced with E4 faults. We test the ignition circuits, check the condition of electrodes and gas valves, measure gas pressure, and make sure all seals are safe and airtight, bringing your system back to full gas safe standards. So, if your Remeha boiler keeps showing E4, call BeFix today on 02-08-05-84241 or visit befix.co.uk. Reliable, local, gas safe. And for more boiler tips and fault guides, don't forget to subscribe.